Bismillah Ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, "Whoever among you wakes up in the morning and is safe in his home, in good health and has enough provision for the day, it is as if he has all the good things of this world." Sunan Tirmizi, Hadith number 2346. The Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is no cause of envy except in two cases: a man to whom Allah gives wealth and enables him to spend it appropriately in ways dictated by Islam, and a man to whom Allah gives wisdom and he rules in accordance with it and teaches it." Sahih Al-Bukhari, Hadith number 73. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.